Let's get started. Go to the Leads module in Zoho CRM. Choose the leads you want to send mass text to and click the Hello Send campaign button. The selected leads will automatically populate the to section. The from number will be auto-selected adjust if needed. Choose a template or enter a custom message. You can also attach media or documents. Compose your message and either launch the campaign immediately or schedule it for a future time. After launching, view the campaign analytics on the campaign analytics screen. Alternatively, you can create a campaign directly from HelloSend. Go to the campaign page in HelloSend and click Create. Choose the module and apply filters. Pick a template. Template values will be mail merged. Choose the module's filter to initiate the campaign. Use the preview feature to send a test message before launching the campaign. Fill in all details and click Launch. Finally, monitor the campaign's analytics to track its success. Campaigns allows you to reach a large audience efficiently. Book a slot with us using the link in the description and we'll guide you through the messaging channel setup. Happy texting!